Next fanmail of the day, baby. Let's see what we got. It is pure fun, a premium blend of fruit blend flavors, smart pellets, vegetables, and nuts to provide your pet bird fun. Oh, it's bird food. It's bird food, but the problem is I don't own a bird. Why would I need bird food? I don't own a bird. I'm in the mood. I'm not in the mood, Ivies. You know what? He's not going to leave. I already know. Yep, here. You want to eat your food? What is my job?